Quick before this video starts, I just want to say if you're looking for eBay dropshipping and winning product research, go to the link in the description. Thank you very much. On to the video. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Louis, and today is a video that I've wanted to make for quite a while now. It is eBay dropshipping versus Shopify dropshipping. So if you don't know what eBay dropshipping is or Shopify dropshipping, I'll just quickly explain those to you. So eBay dropshipping is where you will list an item on eBay that you don't actually have in your house and you're not actually going to ship it out yourself. So you'll list a product, you'll have a supplier, for example Banggood, and you'll find a product that you want to sell on eBay, and then you'll list that product on eBay without buying the product. Copy the description, make your own title, edit your own profile pictures, things like that, add that up, list it, and then once you do get a sale for that item, you will then buy that from the supplier and ship it directly to the buyer. So the supplier will handle all the shipping and everything like that, the handling and everything like that. And then Shopify dropshipping is where you'll then create your own website on Shopify, which is a lot more work. You'll then do like a one product store, or you'll have a general store where you have multiple different products on there, and you have to then pay for ads and on Facebook ads or TikTok ads or Instagram influencers, things like that. Or if you have your own Instagram theme page, you can then do promotion for free, which is unlikely that you'll have that, but if you do, then I do recommend Shopify dropshipping. However, there is big differences between the two, because obviously if you're having to make the website yourself, that's one. You have to know how to do that, which isn't hard to learn. It really isn't hard. You should watch a YouTube video on how to create a website on Shopify, and there's also free courses out there and things like that. If you don't know how to do it, I recommend you just watch Bia Heza. He has good videos teaching you how to build Shopify websites, which do look actually quite good. So you do that. So once you've learned that, you will then have the product, you'll do your product research, then you have to make the website not look like a dropshipping website, which is the hardest bit, because obviously on Facebook, when you're scrolling through the ads, most of them are going to be dropshipping pages, so you have to stand out, you have to not look like a dropshipping page. So there's a lot more that has to go into it, and you might not get anything out of it, and there's also quite a lot of upfront cost. Whereas eBay dropshipping, there's no upfront cost, literally none whatsoever, unless you have a stealth account where you need to purchase the dedicated IP, but that's it. But I'm assuming this is, you can use your personal account right now because you've not been suspended. If that's the case, then there's zero upfront cost. The platform's already there, and what I mean by that is there's already buyers on eBay. You're on the platform, you're just listing the item, so you don't have to then pay for ads or anything like that. I do recommend putting 1% promotion on each of your listings, but that's only taking 1% of the original price that you list it for, to get promoted a little bit, which I do recommend doing. But for Shopify, you'll be paying $20 a day for ads, and you'll have multiple ad sets running. So you could be paying $100 a day to be getting no sales back. It's a huge risk, but it can also be more rewarding, because the benefits of Shopify dropshipping is that you are in control. You can't suddenly get suspended like you can on eBay. eBay, once they find out you're dropshipping, if you make it obvious, they will suspend you. They'll ask for wholesale invoices, which you won't have because you're dropshipping. There's no wholesale purchase. However, I do have a video where you can edit the dropshipping invoices to make it look like wholesale, send that to eBay, and you can get unsuspended. But if you get indefinitely suspended, you're going to have to settle for eBay stealth accounts, which it becomes a bit more tedious. There's more things you've got to do, but it's, in my opinion, it's still better than Shopify dropshipping. However, as I said, with Shopify dropshipping, you're building up your store. Once you've done it for a long time, you're building the same store. If you do get a success with it, you can be making hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars from one product. Obviously, this is only the successful people. Most people are losing money with Shopify dropshipping, but if you do stay consistent, I'm sure it can happen. Personally, I've never really had that much I've never had that kind of level of success with Shopify dropshipping. I've had minor success, but for me, I prefer eBay dropshipping, as the platform's already there, and that's a big point for me, because if the platform's already there, you're already going to get buyers. You're not having to do any work to get those buyers, apart from making the product image look good and also the title to look good. But the thing is, you don't have to build a website, meaning you can just list as many products as you want, and you don't have to worry about making it look good on the website like you do with Shopify dropshipping. There's a lot more work into it. However, once again, with Shopify dropshipping, since you are literally in control yourself, there's no specific time you have to refund customers. There's no specific time you have to deal with issues. Whereas eBay, if you let's say you have a product that's been shipped to the customer, they've received it, but they don't know how to set it up. There's no product manual with it, there's no instructions or anything like that. So you then have to go contact your supplier and ask for that product manual or how to do what the customer's asking. You then have to wait for that response, which could be 2 to 4 days. But eBay, sometimes they'll say this has to be resolved within this certain amount of time. And if you haven't received that product manual back within that certain amount of time, you then have to refund the customer, because or you'll have late cases and it will look really bad on eBay, and you could go below standard on as an eBay seller, which you do not want, because then you'll get less sales. Whereas Shopify, you can take as long as you want. You can say to the customer, I'll be back to you within 5 working days. Please give us time. We're really sorry about this. And then you can provide a discount code for the next purchase to make up for it, which then means you're getting that extra sale after with the discount code, and also you're not risking having to refund the customer because there's no one telling you you have to do it in a certain amount of time. Obviously, you have to do it within 30 days, but you're definitely going to get back to them within 30 days. But all in all, if I'm honest, eBay dropshipping is so much better in my opinion, especially if it's your first time trying to start a business online, because there's no upfront cost, there's no risk, you can only make money from it. You're going to get sales if you learn enough. If you watch enough of my videos, you'll definitely get sales on eBay. It is impossible for you to watch my videos and not get sales on eBay. I can guarantee that for a fact. But Shopify dropshipping is a lot more techy, and there's a lot more risk involved. However, that being said, if you want me to do some videos on Shopify dropshipping where I maybe do a challenge or maybe something like that, comment down below, as I'll be happy to do that. Or if you just want me to stick with eBay dropshipping, I'm also happy to do that, as that is my main expertise. But anyway, if you've taken any value from watching this video, please make sure you press that like button and also press that subscribe button, and have a lovely rest of your day.